5 possible reasons why your car heater isn't working. The vehicle's interior heating system is a circuit of the engine's cooling system. It includes components such as the heater core, the heater blower motor, air hoses and ducts, controls. The heater core is warmed by heat from the engine coolant while the engine is running. The hot airflow, directed by the blower, enters the passenger compartment through the air ducts. By adjusting the air vents and using the buttons on the dashboard, the driver can regulate the air temperature, intensity and direction of the airflow. The heater plays a critical role in driving safely by preventing the frosting and misting of windows. Main causes of interior heater malfunctions. 1. Low coolant level and poor coolant quality. If the quantity and quality of the coolant are inadequate, the air in the passenger compartment will heat up only slightly or not at all after the engine is started. If the interior heater functions while the car is moving but stops warming when the engine idles, this may also indicate a lack of coolant. A low coolant level may result from a leak in the system. Leakage is often indicated by the smell of antifreeze in the passenger compartment. Let the engine cool down. Check the coolant level in the expansion tank. Locate the source of the leak and fix the problem. Top up with the appropriate type of coolant. Release the air through the special valve located on one of the hoses in the engine compartment. Important: regularly check the level and condition of the coolant. Replace the coolant every 2 to 3 years. Otherwise, corrosion may lead to a blockage in the line and damage the cooling system. 2. Faulty thermostat. The engine normally reaches its operating temperature 10 to 15 minutes after startup. If the engine is not warming up, it may indicate a faulty thermostat. When the radiator cools the antifreeze, the thermostat closes, forcing the coolant to circulate in a small circuit. If the thermostat fails, its valve may get stuck open, preventing the coolant from heating up and causing the heater to blow only cold air. The failure can only be rectified by installing a new thermostat. 3. Clogged heater core. Over time, foreign particles accumulate in the fins of the core, reducing the efficiency of heat exchange. Warm up the engine and ensure that the heater return hose is hot too. If faults are detected, flush the clogged core. To do this, add a special cooling system cleaner to the expansion tank or the engine radiator.
Get ready for Black Friday with the Autodoc app.
Specially for our viewers, promo code TIPBF24 for a 5% discount on orders of €70 or more. Available for 1 month after this video is posted. If that doesn't help, a new part should be installed. 4. Heater blower motor malfunction. Signs of a blower motor malfunction. Weak or no airflow when the blower is turned on. Erratic/noisy operation. No response when switching on. Fogging of the car windows may also indicate that the part is faulty. Common causes of breakdowns. Burnt out electric motor. Worn motor brushes. Malfunctioning airspeed switch. Blown fuse. Open circuit. Identify the cause and replace any defective components. 5. Failure of the control elements. Controls include switches, valves and flaps in the air ducts. Inspect the heater control valve, located between the hoses in the engine bay by the bulkhead. Make sure the valve is functioning properly. It is designed to regulate coolant flow. Check whether the flap in the air duct responsible for distributing airflow through the vents is working correctly. It is located behind the AC evaporator, heater core and blower motor. Adjust the direction of the heater airflow. Select a medium blowing speed and set the temperature control to hot air mode. Listen, the sound of the airflow should change. If this doesn't happen, the air duct flap may have failed. Sharp clicks indicate a broken or jammed part. To fix the problem, dismantle the heater assembly. If the flap actuator is cable operated, the cable may have become disconnected. Pull it towards you. If the cable moves freely, it indicates a breakage. Identify the location of the break and repair the fault. If the flap has an electric actuator, it may have failed. Switch on the ignition, but do not start the engine. Check if the electric actuator responds to the control. An operational part makes a clicking or slight noise. If there is no response, replace the actuator. If the actuator is functioning, the issue lies with the flap itself. To fix the breakage, you need to completely dismantle the dashboard and disassemble the interior heating system. Now you know all the main causes of car heating system faults and can easily prepare your car for cold weather. Winter is coming.